for Eden Hazard to redeem himself. But that's the stance now that the guy is going through a whole lot. It's a sort of baptism of fire for the former Chelsea player no enko yekra emfa emma no by a mini game against team and friend Tottenham Hotspur said Nabry player bia wo game on ne we frida most memorable bat for every player ultimate about matches do na but obeyibi obisa line no Messi obeka 6-2 abasa kwose Real Madrid El Santiago Bernabeu no eno ene match na coupe ni na mini kwani ni matches bebre na waba okai ono ankasa na nu masem sa match no one particular match memorable Emano. Mididi said Nabry Swanya sa match no match obekwa akotwere ato na mididi say we no oye frame o share the scoreline na aba na nimfoni ene daso na edaso 7-2 against Tottenham Hotspur. If I were him I would go and make a frame na me da ko hange me dem me pesa brante no sir because 35 minutes or used to boss 4 goals no against team friend Tottenham Hotspur na me no kwani ni na ahomka ewom abrante no ofa ball na say omotimi and stop no speed ekita no and also his eye for goal and very effective in front of a goal. The 4 goals no say ni na no mini bako enfrim. All 4 goals were typical classical goals FA pa. You find ento Inter Milan against FC Barcelona and all eyes on Antonio Conte. I mean, it's not about FC Barcelona. This game, no mention the Conte betting me against Slavia Prague. Mysteriously, they couldn't win. But this is contest Inter Milan. They've taken the Italian Serie A by storm. This is Antonio Conte Okofa Inter patron. Wama number 9 eko wapano osu ampeno. That is Mauro Icardi. When it became clear, Mauro Icardi, his air love, adoration for Inter no eswate and now they were committed no. Antonio Conte discarded the player and then Kofa Romelu Lukaku Edi Aba. Lukaku was on the main father say ascendance no confirm but Conte has revived him because sabi nyanse Conte onim de oye transfer we na ni probably brintias here say Icardi ko no Kofa Lukaku Edi Aba no he knows what he is doing. The system no ohia players be odon be board that system and Romelu Lukaku fits that strategy of Openye fellow Antonio Conte and 6 games it is working. In midfield rather Nangolanko but he has Stefano Sensi, Nicolo Barella, who are technically gifted. So 2 players technique on the ball, no, they are better than Reja Ayen Nangolan. And then also Bettino Ako bench into all options and so in Fifu, Koja Samoa as usual. Ni position our ball, a one ball, left wing back, he's done it at Juventus, so no question about that. Then Danilo D'Ambrosio is also there, Antonio Candreva. Now the 3 back, no, and here the trio, Godin, Stefan De Bridge, and then a bunch of Milan Skriniar, and then Sami Andanovic, goalkeeper, on what them about team in 2012, 7 years near, so he's the number 1 for Inter for 7 years now. But you see the Champions League, always I state, yeah, but what Champions League be a Masama Mekane say, Champions League is different from domestic air competition. And Fahone Diawoye Ewo Ufie, Uliginum, Uba Europa is an entirely different game altogether. And I'm expecting that at the new camp, no. Inter Milan team ekitomi etima Antonio Conte person say team we no ebetimi a fighting on all front because Conte nankasama obiati ase say Serie A no pepa o manani enko Champions League no pi na mom say Inter team we ekita no Conte person obia na players no so person obia hu o motita for hu say they can complete on all front then it starts today. Slavia Prague then echo they must get a good result. Barcelona is not a team in good condition. Barca team we yes, they are playing at home. Difficult to beat them at home in the Champions League. ABC, you know, papa. But Antonio Conte, the system now, it works in the Italian Serie A. Is it going to work at the new camp? The 3-5-2 obo. No Lukaku, Sanchez is there, Lautaro Martinez is there, but I doubt Barcelona will be favored to win 2-1. But if Inter Milan running away with a pointer, patron, I will not be surprised at all with Inter Milan of Antonio Conte. Ekoyi.
2-1.
Yeah, 2-1 Barca.
And just will be better 2-1. 2-1 Barca. Okay. So by the time from Bokodi, great. Yeah, I'm quite the guy about the other. 2-1 Barca.
Yeah. Can show me a live or so on 98.3 FM page.
No, Facebook.
Yes, on Facebook. My channel, the Silver Champion page to beat me. Ken, I think I'm on for question English teams. Yeah, there's a quick one. Modern Bono. We shared last season in the UEFA Champions League. England for only form because you do quarter on 4 teams. Now United or na City or Spurs and a Liverpool. Eventually, 2 teams are called final na England for me. Till last season, the Nyoma Koye Momo. Until now, man for expect you say on mess out twice so you remember this season. But I tell back what you really feel me say. Last season, the English teams no on man san started. So what's Manchester City first game with UEFA Champions League last season? Obo Lyon home. We lose 2-1.
Silver Sports.
Spurs, Echo San Siro. Echo Bo Inter. On the lose 2-1. Liverpool na try home bo PSG winning 3-2. And a United so got a young boy show 3-0. Into the first 4 games, and now 4 teams are no free England or more ball last season UEFA Champions League. Match day 1, 2 lose 1 and a 2 winning. That was Liverpool United and a City in Spurs lose. Now come out day 2 a City bounce back or say Hoffenheim 2-1. But Spurs sent twice lose 4-2 to Barcelona. Oh, White Hart Lane. It's after the first 2 games are Spurs boy no losing to Inter and to Barcelona. And a Liverpool suko lose 1-0 to Napoli. And a United Tenerife Valencia ball 0-0. So the first 2 matches, now English teams no bien or 6 points maximum. No bien nya. Because no money na drop point. Na City lose back, Liverpool lose back, Spurs lose nyenu. And then United depend on us say young boys. And on the Valencia ball 0-0 home. But ye born in the and the name ya pani e come fast so finish group stages no twice wa Erico Premier the final because Spurs first 2 games no lose. And said this season of course I didn't say see nyina abotre. I saw come to make a come because of the omoye you know. But en twice wa ye share last season how they started. Yeah, you know as our basis for analysis and say it will be early as all Pentama conclude no. Sana me hono. But then me expect Liverpool so make a come on. Because after some lose to Napoli no. So ba home as the UEFA Champions League winner there. Except that fear factor. So with me done it. We showcase Bibi kakra. Because before that game against Napoli, Betana can say record and that one since 1994. Nothing bien UEFA Champions League in the first match we lose apart from ACI as since that time, no be obeti either in the first match or draw and also be winning. And a Liverpool cause say everyone lose to Napoli. So a won't be here say over home about Anfield there. Over this time Kenya no ebeba. It can Liverpool game no. I won't say EPO teams next 30 year there. But I'm say Liverpool bet me assist no mem kakra e dey am on list. A 2-goal margin for Liverpool no can me who say na e bet me apie mu e ho. But a big game no e dey be cause wo e Camp Nou. So I coach Antonio Conte. Say I'm about domestic league, say league a bon with fear there. Upo be ultimate Sanyo Emma average teams. And our teams say struggle. And our team be kura wa achieve be pay. Name as an modern man above for man. Antonio Conte is your man.
Silver Sport.
Or some magic touch be ultimate be come with team one. A page out from be a club out fighting for top 4. Et me do Remo straight for the champion, the league, you know. He did it with Team Feni Juve. And Juve, 3 seasons, meaning I did twice, so the old ladies. I quite remember, say, the year 2012-2013 season, you know, came on the 102 points in the G League, you know, Edmar Juventus. Or the Italy also. Or by Chelsea. The first season was Abeji. And can Conte amount for one time Bonabasu, even in the English Premier League, you know. The 2 seasons or there or leading Chelsea, you know, or penny in the ball more than J Cup. Because the second season at Chelsea Pamono for not making the top 1 for the FA Cup. And on the first season of G League. And can you say Conte G League first season for Chelsea? Or setting record with 30 wins out of 38 games. That was the Conte for the Chelsea team. It's a fair domestic league there. The Conte or it's like this will be our own follow. And zone. 6 wins out of 6 obey. But you have for Champions League now. And that has been
Champions League back on the final crowd.
The quarter pair. That was in the year 2012-20, 2013. Or the Juve drew quarter by Bayern Munich and undo semi that. And that was his best performance, Ken. that was quarter with Juventus and Bayern Munich.
And
that year, I said Bayern again.
Domestically, they are right.
And that has been the question. Question Abisa, because a coach like Antonio Conte, all league belts be brave. No about 24 Champions League matches, more winning 9 there. 9 out of 24 there. Can I know? And also this season, cry or the Interball first game, cry or San Siro now, or Penny Saturday film, home Sabor against Praha. It's I said, so can't on the Barcelona game, na what when you pick share a Juma Inter or Siriana, one share and when I'm wrong. Almost next of our virgin in the boys, no so no, almost minky come home dear. But Kim, where you for Champions League now, Inter last season, cry had your yeah. Now, we shall Barcelona out of the last 32 games so about fear. UEFA Champions League, where we remove 29 now. Even as Saname Ram were the key battles in the crown from paper and you win for Inter Milan. Intimate guy by Bayer and say a silly win because me won't say Barcelona bet me a whitewashing Inter because of the defensive shape Antonio Conte the can team. I did back a dance to Antonio Conte team where the organization at the back. Also, or your coach, he plays with passion. And tonight, you want Diego Gordon Case, only Diego Simone, almost a new man, Dormont Terminal, Ketuabia, somewhere else. United team yet solid at the back. Very, very resolute. More organization, more communication, understanding, perfect for Mumienu. But ni teams, ni team, can bet me more goals. That is the Antonio Conte team, no. But also all consider. It is all number ball. Now, actually, on the three back. And can we have Diego Gordon, Milan Skriniar? Now we have Brandt and Stefan de Vreda. I'm not sure in the absence of Lionel Messi, you're going to be dealing with any of the Barcelona forwards. Because Messi will have there. And I want to show Messi record against Italian teams. Which out of 17 games, you know, what's up 12 wire 3 assists. So he's been involved in 15 goals. In Kenubebo Mukakra. But Messi knew how paired the ever. Me Luis Suarez and Antoine Griezmann. And it'll be Carlos Perez. Some conform me in some way. I have that strong belief say on betting your Mwejuma very, very neat. Into Barcelona to get more than 2 goals will give him bed. San and Mimi Huno. Into a win backs, no. Because I won't say you're dear Bambobi.
Into Quadra Samoa.
Any Antonio Candreva.
Again, Bassa.
That is where majority of the job will be done. Because I 3 in the middle, 3 in the middle. Inter 3, Brozovic mo. And then
it's a sense,
you know, because also no so far 3 goals 2 assists. Into another head the boss to boss work, but Brozovic must so here to my part. On bet me a match, because can or be say Atumel, Frankie De Jong, Sergio Busquets. The last time I Barcelona Inter, Mourinho time no Busquets the general there, but now Xavi Iniesta. These young boys want to replace them on person shoes no. But I'm not sure say e so gap e do montem, any the Inter Milan midfield in term no so. I can even go to the extent say an issue of home support. In terms of midfield quality. Because the cohesion, can watch the Inter games now, cohesion won't feel also. It's not made dwelling so much on the wing backs. Because Ken, the team be bought 3 back. That's the wing back in a good day. No matter how strong the opponent made on the wing backs will be the decider. Because I'm here 7 and 2 Ejuma. No, I have 3 and 11 Ejuma. So Kwaja Samoa Antonio Candreva and they decided how the supplies will go to Alexis Sanchez and Lautaro Martinez. From where I sit, Inter to get more than 2 goals. I just said the Bayern Munich DNB. Me who say at least a 1 goal. But Barcelona can afford to get more than can afford to get 2 goals. Okay. You know, Gariba 2-1 I cannot predict you know. One or the other because Inter last 6 visits to San Siro or maybe 5. That is record number 1. And a Barcelona home record now, my culture, apart from Bayern Munich, Guardiola, they show 29 out of 30. Based on this, you know, a 2-1. 2-1, yeah, like.
But I say over the champion, but I must follow your chance. I'm not too Ghanaian players, she go and tea. There was a good someone named Conos between the back. Richmond bought and Thomas.
I said the uncle when you caught leg in on
but your problem is for close to 3 outcomes and a World Cup. If you don't know,
That's all be share now be.
Also no
So no na so no. So ben
because consistently
on in nka say
goes our champions.
Yeah, ball no be but also on morning pie. King I am.
Also Diana Kwadwo Asama.
Why some match you are?
Also Diana Kwadwo Asama shigo.
Men so die.
Okay.
And now even Ebenezer Asifo.
Yes.
Also see super anko over or when iti blasters striking or any blasters and call look across that could make sure be striking honey there. Who yes obey we are king. King 20-man squad na Valverde and name it for this team. But what him said for this match, only 18 are better na bench. But the news coming in say Messi need Dembele or my pass or more fit. It is if only they are fit, they are going to be part of the team. It might be say they are not monster, but they will play a role. But when you match unless I Inter for the other for be neighbor. But Inter for from by their new coach. Also Champions League one yard. Obia with the Slavia Prague. Again, the big man on the neighbor Romelu Lukaku. Unfortunately, on also so equal power and 2 points. And a Lukaku to me fanenko na Camp Nou be our hoensi. And a former players in the so crown or more befia and fat. We Ibrahimovic awabe was on who want to attend. But some former players as a former coach is square befia and Sanfa. And Alexis Sanchez meaning say be a born or that subo says still me win free born or ban or body. It again Inter they are a real disadvantage. But a football. Be out to Messi. It is the same Inter who were beaten. Minus just last season, Messi was out. So okay, in the Champions League 12 matches, Messi bought 10. Inter home and away one more. At home no more Inter and away Kobo. Rafinha ne show. He said Rafinha yo where do Madia. Enye but if ya like a debia wo mo asem. Yes, I agree. Player for player still here Barcelona was so. Because Rafinha do as a mama. None Griezmann na ba. Who Inter won't mean for players in better to Barca and see. Because Inter we are good, but on my attackers and the Suarez square so on there who can match him. It's Barcelona should be able to play minus Messi because they don't have any option. Can you mean so what they make? Yes, because all far player for player, even goalkeeping department they bang now. Ube so Barcelona will be ahead. Yes, Barcelona for the Messi niwa they will not be able to play. Griezmann, this is the time to also show up. And which I know said they need to do because you know these are two teams will be winning the first match. It's against Dortmund Barca ball draw. And Slavia Prague so Inter ball draw. It's what it means is that Obia here win to kick on because group name ya heading. It is a Barcelona and take your home advantage now is always going to be a problem. It's almost be a Camp Nou see Inter for so or more problem. Oh but yes, your record is right. The last 6 or more lose 5. Not that too. But Coupe no match go. 5 no more lose no more go. It the Inter go show Camp Nou heading. But can I know if say they be on go. When no say na make can o share Resta Belgrade normally Olympiacos can normal about 5 matches. Na Resta and shady. But I was very confident that Resta Bishop because the Olympiacos in a team or top players are because of greed for economy no. To say first send it no.
I just said red card to change the game now.
Yes, of course. Also I'm crying a question first go. It's na me emotion say eh nko still record ne beba. But can say omo bad to be share 3-1 no. I think it was good and even now her altar omo my Resta Belgrade 3. 3. And Great Kings omo us 3 per 1 gamer. Let's say you are to lose. Clearly. If even one match plan.
The reason to my answer because over Resta and Bayern America.
Yeah.
Bayern for some one day.
Yeah, sure.
I 3. I was
3-0.
And the lead goes to be Bayern. But no money bad.
Omo bad.
No money bad. And Resta share Liverpool last season.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah. And I want Napoli support. PSG. Yeah. It's omo bad at all. And also Resta is a big club. Also clubs no kid obia wamra or dominating a mirror take off. Resta have dominated for they won this competition. I think way back in 92 if I'm right. Omo Marseille and Marseille so eba beji. But omo take off from. But since omo san sorry beam. Because the last 2 seasons sitting in ano omo to be making appearances on omoba. It came say oh share ne game na since April 2010. Barcelona lose 3-1 to Inter. Enya dia 9 games no. Barca lose to Inter. Now, Oba Camp Nou, yes. So, we have 29 wins and 3 draws in 32 matches. So that's a hell of a record. But all these things play football, Ken. But, and yeah, no one. It was said, team knows Oba Ball Papa and that record na wow. enye say bi a wo record nti no e bi a wo team nye ball akọ bia na waje enkosa. For example, when you ball be a Tottenham for boy, the record will not favor you when you don't play well. Can I the tune China? Lionel Messi and Wakante main famba. Barcelona ain't go in the last 2 Champions League matches and my bomb because against Liverpool no more free away or man go. Against Dortmund so away or man go. It's Barcelona away issue no still. And your area is almost taking a critical look. Because against Dortmund or man go. Good, since you are more back home hot there, I am a mom. Any idea good for them. Now, in terms of team are on your kura against no away in the Champions League at Barcelona. Because 5 out of 6 now or Monche go no. Any the worst record or more against any other team be about Champions League one away. Can I hope you understand my point? Now, injury, it puts a toll on Inter. Because Romelu Lukaku 3 goals in Serie A. In 7 games, one boy in all comes or 3 goals. He's doing so fine for them. He's out. It's how are they going to land a big blow? But on the part of Barcelona, Jordi Alba, Ansu Fati, and Umtiti, a bit to me eye out. It's a good game for Barcelona to kick on. A prime be Arsenal, and so Moshe Inter. And we be Kakredu as a king. What your PK story be? May person me be 2 minutes right here. On say Nra, said the Ramos share go real. Only PK in our 12 goals in the Champions League. 13 as centre backs. Good. Now, the last 10 seasons, they scored in 10 different seasons in the Champions, the 2 of them. It became clearly say, "Whoa, sha, on your bad." And now her Barcelona trophies or my G, now of course, he can't mess money, but he's been part. And now one thing I want so no, or a Catalan, ne family, wouldn't say papa a businessman. And I name my men so or more hospital or more your friend is saying. And no pay more money I didn't. Name my men a director ever. But aside that, crown or her wife and swap or her icon. And what I'm at and a wife and your 46 awards ever in Yum Tumqua. And what on 75 million copies a year records. And the world quite over 300 million. And we have PK our connection. It's not Rakuten director and your friend Hiroshi Mikitani. As I and a friend. Okay. He's well connected. And PK is well educated. Don't forget, so he graduate from Harvard, and even at a point or collect time. Adiama papa ni disro PK, they say PK or your politician team no more. Because on one so said they been obey club chairman. And we have Catalan for the way na economy Pep Guardiola. And the young call for because the Catalans no more do level. I say they be our bobo na no oye bi ni ade. Eti papa ni suro. But they ba kono say president na de oye na emfa. Clearly the level no the team they kono ken enye. Enti osuro so I say bia na ho Laporta be de because Laporta no eye nyoma eye and me ne ya adwen say PK chance on be free but dem go see because PK no a big time politician because of a Catalan to war support e among the Catalans me say president no ye bibi no G Champions League ni bi e de matim ne nya sa de one Laporta e so wo backing.
Okay, you better and so madam Andy boko there braka cry na
okay. First of all, I'm wish Madam for coming. Ne bath George Baswa Quat and happy birthday. Okay. It's a Champions League night, and the biggest game will be at the Stadio Camp Nou, that is Barcelona versus International Milan. When I can say Antonio Conte, the coach, and more when it comes to the UEFA Champions League, and the last game that he played at home at the Giuseppe Meazza Sports Stadium in San Siro, Obiano says Slavia Prague, and Conte taking a last minute and saying, "Oh, Timmy and equalizer for his Inter Milan side." And the last time was Akurum, New Camp with a Chelsea team. Chelsea lost by 3-0 at the Stadium New Camp. It is Antonio Conte, your coach, and when it comes to the Champions League, he cannot be trusted. Even at Juventus, Macano happened say, no group at FC Copenhagen, Galatasaray, and Real Madrid want to qualify with Juventus. Or deter the one team and qualify to the next stage of the competition. And the following season, Massimiliano Allegri, that particular team, they ball finals, a Berlin Stadium against Barcelona or lose by 3-1. Into Antonio Conte is a coach that you cannot rely so much in the Champions League. The last 3 meetings, Inter Milan and team of friend Barcelona aboard the new camp on Neman Koya and Farmer Inter Milan. And the last time that was last year, they lost by 2-0 in the absence of Lionel Messi. But Antonio Conte has shown the team here and clearly. so her performance Inter Milan dey mind the Italian Serie A anymore. Can Obi and Canchero say the team is in good shape and the team is playing sumptuous football and the winning mentality and highly well fortified and clearly say Inter Bobo now him say Omo go all out and they are going for the last game. Oberam with the 3-back system as you stated and now can say Diego Godin say ma Omo nhwe line and Messi say obo game maybe Milan Skriniar was part of the team that played against Barcelona last season El New Camp Stefan de Vrij, formerly of Lazio, the Dutch international, and so on and so on. And the 3-back will be the 2 players as against Diego Godin, the master in the 3-back now will be Jim Finfin, or no boy to Barcelona in many occasions. We boy with Barcelona in the Champions League, eliminated Barcelona in several times, and he has lost to Barcelona in several times. It is a new people organizing Inter Milan the 3 year. Diego Godin, one player. Inter forward, that's what say. Omube make it sure so no beting as said that with Kodja Sama on the left and a branch of Antonio Candreva on the right. Midfield no Ken Edumani war because Barcelona attack and there. Luis Suarez at home is just a super form, but in a way I need more than Antoine Griezmann by and Ken. It has been the same old story. Players don't improve under Ernesto Valverde and Mekan Waha. Say if you want Griezmann so be the best of Antoine Griezmann and you're on the wings. On the left or on the right, you know, we are the best of team. And clearly, Obabisi Akama Barcelona, no, Obi Awacha Anton Griezmann, yeah, we talking about Eden Hazard. But Griezmann, so it is the same thing. The only thing they say, we want 2 goals in the Spanish La Liga. Until Obi money. But the reality is that the performance, he has underperformed in the Barcelona shirt. Until Ken, a chill fun for Inter Milan in the Juma Bebre. With Lionel Messi absent or so, body, a Juma, because Obi operating from Babia. Milan Skriniar and Kodja Sama tem ho e ho na obetimi operate free but bia Inter also omo ya adwumaden no e middle. That is why they are going to have Massimo Brozovic, Matthias Viceno, Stefano Sensi and Kodja Sama and Antonio Candreva. 5 midfield. They need to cut the supply from Arthur Melo, Frankie de Jong and Abrante Ayefeni, Sergio Busquets. Omo na ken some person passes na be ko animu some person Messi mo be ko to have some person Luis Suarez and Abrante Ayefeni, Antoine Griezmann and the ball no betum e dey tia odia. These are the players that you need to keep an eye on them, and these are the players that will be making sure so my party now say Mikhail last time Omushia after Melo was just all over and also was control proceedings in midfield, he made things so thick for Boja Valero and Matthias Viceno in midfield. And he said in the team represent good results at the Stadio Camp Nou. Ken, the midfield of Barcelona, they need to watch out for them. And you don't allow that defensive shape of Barcelona said Jirapike Mumra Omanim Nakoko Dinawachi. In the attack, Romelu Lukaku will not play. It is going to be Lautaro Martinez and Alexis Alejandro Sanchez. Sanchez about at Camp Nou, only all about Camp Nou. Lautaro Martinez, a new kid on the block, a super player, adding up as an auxiliary striker up front. So Barcelona defense, things has not been well for them. And the match will kind against Liverpool, against Dortmund, Barca were just lucky. So I'm with back game with a 0-0 score line. Dortmund entering Antwerp and far more. I want to see the technical exploit of Antonio Conte in this particular game. How the Italians are going to defend, how they are going to put 10 men behind the ball, and how they are going to shape up in the defensive area of Inter Milan. Mesa said 3-back system, Barcelona had the ball near back in the offensive transition, especially in the counter-attacking system. Not the ball near by Inter. Measure how are the 3-back system. You attack with 3 and you defend in 5 in a typical 3-5-2 system in this particular time. Antonio Conte will be reduced the deficit, because the last time was 3-0 for Barcelona. Abrano won goal Kante, Abrano William Bodi da Silva. Ken Inter Milan players in the experience when they come to the UEFA Champions League. But Inter as a whole have vast experience in the Champions League. They've won it several times in 3 occasions. The last time they won it was way back in 2010. And in that particular time, the Champions League at the Stadio Santiago Bernabéu, called so havoc. New Camp. And that was the time Jirapike to me said that goal to the bomb. The technical and the tactical exploit of Jose Dos Santos Mourinho Mario Ferres. Antonio Conte is catching that particular mood, efficiency and results from Juventus. But Barcelona to be making sure at this particular time, if things are not going well for Real Madrid, Also, almost 2 minutes the 3 maximum points, no, because the last time Omo boy and I did Dortmund, no, Omo and 3 points, and if they lose this game, Ebema their way of qualifying to the next stage will be very thick, and it will be very difficult for them, especially when they don't play well in a way. Ken, a 2-0 victory for Barcelona at the Stadio Camp Nou. Yeah, there we can. Champions League near Conti and actually
That's the first time. Oh, yeah.
Can we hope the first time I need New Camp? Derby, New Camp.
Oh, yeah, for first time.
Derby, and for first time.
Okay. What's up, what call you?
Kenya ko pa da ma bibia e fa ken.
Angels of Hope Home Care Agency. Me patrol ma me bi wo papa. Sabi wo bi wo fi ana ho jamba for ma. Angels of Hope e Home Care Agency. Omo pa fi e be hwesa ni panel straight ma. Obi okwan we pra. Omo be hwe kama. The dware mu, na DJ mu, na se na DJ mu. Me patrol the OPD ade yan say yeah health related issue. Me hwe nyina nso de amano. Kwa on be fa so on be bo ma tambia no nya modern. Ebia na we dey fi me patrol for Angels of Hope Home Care Agency. Over from all libraries on Sabacom 054699 6171 054699 61 71. Now for nature Santase, we do text station one. I'll pay and I'll be home. A Grozel Recruitment Agency. So say a more air a taxi drivers. We know a Yanimanuya, Abu Dhabi, Dubai. Abu Dhabi, Dubai. The part of a Grozel Recruitment Agency, taxi drivers. Oh, yeah, taxi driver. Taxi driver. As soon as valid a passport or passport on the passport, I ready. In your 2 passport size pictures. Age between 26 to 45 years. Mr. So driving licenses, at least licenses B, or driving licenses, no, say licenses B, wage, you know, I say between 26 to 45 years. In your 2 passport size pictures and or passport. For Grozel Recruitment Agency on 0508 07 8527 0508 07 85 year 27 0508 07 85 year 26 27 0508 07 85 27 Grozel Recruitment Agency taxi drivers and yeah per or more na also for call there
Kenya ko pa da ma bibia e fa. Bibia e fa.
Srebo line
Srebo line so srebo. Chairman bibia wa call there. The Nyankopon ase. Kumasi Asante Koroko oyo obi a wadi team na chi acheye papa we adoye bebre e de ma team no. E to di say eyi Kotoko film no eya nwanwa.
Na attack the one so. Because the radio commercial. And also Canopus coach, you know, or yet change the or different formation. The way a coach, and could be we asked to do one.
Silver Sports.
So I knew we had a problem.
Oka coaching was some say against Canopilas no coach no changes bia na say Canopilas coach no changes bia who say niama ankoye opa so ka say your coach no ni nim dia in coaching the money more in modern football no anko kan
I coach we say going to be qualified to coach living in training in Ghana.
Silva Bato Sabra bio manti woni.
The coach we is not qualified to coach this in training in Ghana.
Silver Sports.
I need certificate in the coaching. Because also a coaching team be our Ivory Coast. I have checked with the team in Ivory Coast. It is not true. On coaching order. Okra UEFA license fee and Okra no and you're correct. Because of nobody can plan certificate or anything about the coaching. Na pamo sika kona Okra certificate. Na ba fa ubia woni certificate na coach papa. Na da one team ka be dia brose.
Silver Sports.
Derby Srebo Miami team me nyanisa enti baby a u free by u be blame the management of Kumasi Asante Koroko so ma promise CK
Coach I don't give a coach English crown. My rules won't be done yet. Then, but I check no more year coach in one team. Also, coach Ivory Coast. My check it is not true. And I'm telling everybody to challenge me.
Silver Sports.
The first coach, I said, I good. Samono.
Oh, okay.
At least our management they should do background check. They should do some checks. But more of the management will tell you that the more have for it about the same time that you have to come to coach. But the whole thing is how.
Okay.
Silver Sports.
Na me check bibi kakra awoye coach ni CV mo akakra de brain pain for you see Williamsville Athletic Club e wo Cote d'Ivoire papa no coach wo ho
okay go to the website wa go you na share who you have no me go website dey we dey to send message we saw about whether they forget never about your coach or this thing I never met them I have done that I've checked. He has never worked there as a coach.
Silver Sports.
Okay. Now, player signings and as a transfer and recruitment in pay for year towards Champions League. You know, Srebo, as a man, or Kafa.
Conversation. They do listen. They are open up and like you buy, you can everything they call the team. Now you have 1 2 become. You are what hopefully Apamu team in Namaka 4 or 5 or 6. Out of new 14 players. Yeah, Africa, sir. Look at the company and a political player is filling the main team. Every year they are 14 players, 15 players. Mother, Copacoyan is also a 22 man. Then the Alien will never train for me. Near this
Oh, okay. It is
what is that?
It is
Silver Sports. Silver Sports. Silver Sports.
Srebo said I woke up 5-4-1 India as a coach. You cry a heavy scene, no.
Silver Sports.
Okay, all right, Srebo, and there is 798.3. Yeah, that's it. Say, when you okay. David Srebo Boateng, or no, a Sponge Kumasi Asante Koroko supporter. I see coach no Division 3 wo Kromo Accra, and Nyadia will be to me a coachy. Division 3. Division 3. I see coach no coaching team be Cote d'Ivoire. Why the checks?
That's not all point, but you do have an emotion.
Yeah.
We receive points in the break. But second, you know, so we see Canada, I will be so again say
Okwama Siki.
Or come see.
Yeah, Okwama Siki.
But if you want all points.
Yeah, all points.
But say one of them I want to team and count yes. Yes, we so the consensus now.
Me family some not into
I said was me the work area now back.
It's the one.
Ken,
Ken, I want
what I come on kaka.
Sir. Ken. Kumasi Asante Kotoko impinfon kano kre so mo ko Tunisia. Match commissioner semben e no catch ro mo. E wo Kumasi Asante Kotoko strike guess no mo sha. King Nana Kwame George Amwaku Kennedy Boache Ansa Nana Koka Omoko ye no assemble na match commissioner no a 12 for the omujesi gu ho kotoko de omujesi gu ho osu oto die mo ka say we no mbe yusu osu kotoko die mo no say what is this Kumasi Asante Kotoko jesi never know. No, not good. Yes, that's not good at all. Ken, me check it. Me check it. What's it Kotoko? I too big for.
Calf. You bought the nations cup. I'm going to try countries. Okay. I'm going bankrupt. See that calf.
Ken, Ken, go for the Siama. King a player no. He was injured. No we bra and a coach no. And then the coach this time me boa. Me prove at him.
But that's
King. King and then somebody there who. King. Go for the Siama manager. Me tete bi say wa pay bi kakra ma coach no.
Me so allegation we meet you on.
Enti na me say me tete bi.
And man kakra. What is
kakra. Echo. King, reason why it's here. Okay, King, my translation.
Okay.
I beg it. So far, one year, team no dear coach, you ma, more. King, what the I can't take it to boys in a bono, Tunisia.
I'm a boy,
coach.
so I know.
So, Momo Lusu.
And the bracket corner. Another person to call. So how much super so that's a 20 amount
We are running from the issue, and this is the issue. First of all, Sika Akono played in the Confederation Cup. That is one. And again, Sika played in the Confederation Cup, which is a fact. Kotoko Ebo in the Champions League this particular time, which is a fact. The comparative analysis doesn't come in when you are talking about the Confederation Cup and then the Champions League came back to Mwasumla. And yet, the quality and the standard of play that played in the CAF Champions League isn't the same as players who played in the Confederation Cup. Ubian getting a clear. Number 2, Kotoko coach no on fan who aduma. And your coach in a time ne ho bre Kotoko say. Mabamum from Ejuma. I am penning for the fan argument. If they are talking about that particular subject, they should mention the management and Dr. Kwame Chase's name. No, I saw any name, and I coach you this certificate, and I coach you why say, Ken, one fan Ejuma. Let's teach the management the slightest of intelligence. Sebi Omani and Kwasiafo. Coach in the shade on Mufana Juma. Omo Red on Mufana Juma. It's coach no. On coaching senior team that he coach as good. And Oba as good no youth team. Christiansen called and he took over. He won the tier 1. And the sad aspect is that when I go to put in focus coaching in Yadiano, you have Kotoko management members who said the Aggo people are arrogant. Instead of compare addressing that particular subject of one Yadiano, or man check. Almost say Oba Kotoko Dintia. Go to Obuase and ask why champion car say Oma coach into Asubiu. It is because the coach was bringing in players. No players now on more on the chess our players. Again, my cousin radio for now. England come sign. And England was even signed. In the king, assembly can. You know to was here. Now you can assembly Marco community. Yeah, me and your comparison. Sika lost. Sika drew against Hilal, and that particular game, Obia who said he lost From the bench. He drew from the bench. Why then? Coaches can get things wrong at any point in time. I'm not saying it's a coach no yard yet.
Honest, as a coach, we as if from the Champions League, the why almost so panel and same fata.
Can you mean to me can send fata? No,
Obia or share ball no first and second leg in the beer will say no true coaching and a moment.
Ken, that is a fact.
Into more criticizing now.
Ken, almost criticize, but in one thing. So omo drop Yakuba no ye koka say omo drop Yakuba. Nkom be ka so omo come at me pity your attention. If you martin so. Don't you know these people? So why do you drop Yakuba when you are going away?
Because it's not fit.
Ken, the point I'm making is that Godfrey Siama, oh Togusu no mde ko here. Take it from me. Godfrey Siama no Togusu no mde ko. I'm going na Togusu. Ken. Into any fitness as I'm saying that there are players in there. Say what is the players in the Bible? On the field of play. Ken, on the field of play, players, no, Ken, you will game si be a tournament. Ah, players, or did have funny game now on mobile finance against the guy. I want to catch you say a coaching plan. The players were determined to die for the Algeria national team. Tackle be and they died hard to the last minute of the game.
Is a coach in Yadia.
Yes, or never a coach on Nadia.
Players.
Yes, you want a coach in Wassa. Coach red card. You have been promised of $2,000, which is $100 million. Each player. Ken, the young person be the atum, and that is a fact. Me makano hana uni ame say. Coach na some no koka second CAF Champions League no. And your standard no this particular time. Na also can in them. And asema wakasa. Ken, asema wakasa say there be confederation there. Or say kotokoti mebo. But the problem with the coach is asema wan can in them no catch the problem has say. Or Kwako said to our phone number and he's going to play attacking game. Or catching a promo for Kwako attacking game. Koto compelling for Mokase. One of them to Kasai. Yet Tanaka said there be a 12 for the Uncle attacking game. And I came Moka say, oh, Daddy, Omoba Haloman, forgetting that even with Esperance, Ali, Mamelodi Sundowns and Zamalek, Omoko where I came, Omulusu. The African football is played at home and again. The whole management and sit down says anything like Kotokoba we match be a song. Give on to a match planet. Kotokoba we match be a match go and check games or move apart from Cotton's body Garua. Game be a Kotokobuko be a king song. I didn't think of the whole team on Tanase. Put the coach aside. Because King, coach Memaka, Mr. Pam coach now. On the back of Fadi or Nadia Cratch or don't take it from me. So more Pam is on the reason better on the fact coach. There was no reason. And you'll be a beba or you have bad coach in the Monfanas. I've seen the Kotoko team playing where players manager sitting in a restaurant waiting for the coach. And I'm in Tihobi.
But the manager.
And you want to can I have the pictures on my phone? It's the American in the say. Kotoko Akofa coach, Etinaba, coach no buy. The players on no idea mobile club or mobi. And people are talking about consistency. Ken, you try to get to it. August since the last confused Unikroma. Unia. What about Anthony Kroma? Sonia Kuba Nikroma. Apart from us, players now move confidence cabin, King Omunia. Any Abdul Ghani you smell of Omuni now. But the coach had decided he will use Ampem Da Costa as a right back. Kotoko management members are just out for 5 games. Boy, the Bonnie are exposed to no. Boy, the Bonnie are exposed to no. Boy, the Bonnie are exposed to no. Ken. Omuni na Pnahosa. Miss I met Edmond Aka at Babaya. Me catch them and say. Mubet na sa ma coach no or the Ampem Da Costa butu sa na Koto na munyama beboneti Ken or the Ampem Da Costa butu one Kotoko players Kotoko management members Kotoko supporters Kotoko supporters leadership one name Ampem Da Costa no boss center defend na Kotoko the turn but in they allow the coach Emma coach ni use na at the right back sa amo did your kofa ne ba Ken Boli Omobi Steven Ayiku Giovanni coach ni kofa ne ba Kotoko center defenders ma kuma kunsia almost allow coach ni man kofa center defender but buy a game against Kano Pillars no Omobi game ni Omobi it came why do you blame the coach alone for this particular defeat and you collective omo nyina na aka bomb ambetim na lose they shouldn't channel it to the coach alone because players na no hye omo an enko yiem me ka de order asem no manka o manka say bo control me for the baby ah they went to Tunisia and omo create more with that is where energy works you catch omo so omo kofa number 8 omo tie there be omo so omo bi omo si coach na kofa Mudasiru Latif the number oba ya na mo ye connection okobo local blaster na camp on wote and a kotoko player oba sign na match crowd mo bi local blaster and asa the middle of the game, that is where the football is played. That is where the engine of the game is played. He lost it from there, and they shouldn't blame the coach alone. Ken, it is a collective effort from players, Kotoko management, and the coach.
That's a quick one.
Yeah, Ken, say disappointment about 10% cost, like I say, Akuma cost because a yaw near the one go for. It's where they answer me say, Obeti. But mums a doma DNA sanity. Inti se won so wo da no a on fa ne se bia nipa na ka se mane ye yante no kwa attack na wo be faili menene nyina dia no kure wo mu ye ho aduma dia enye no kure no ye ntungu. That is the only way to go. But you be abeka bia wo de manenka because enye hwe kura ne sankofo ya ne ye be san be pom cho so mo mehwe bo ne enye sika. And no na make as a king support every bit to me 1 billion Eddie Amakoto management member being to me. Eddie Crown the chairman of the club no fine or not nisika yena banowati because be an for the Christmas which I support. But Ebi or no ankasa nisika 1 billion so the Archer club Eddie Crown win. It's the fact though be a support and doesn't make wow your management member better than him. It's not like that. But it's about a Juma Okra the way you Juma na uju sika. Can be named so what's here. Their supporter be a penny any team back on that finished. And free wo mu nya hwe biem eno ane say to say has for buy ombro no mo hye no mo de betwa mpo eno ano no omo nwini eno ano no omo coach eska omo ni hwe bia biem. It is when they are speaking they have the right to speak. Issues now were raised one or say coach no certificate C is it true or not where they say betumi ahwe easily enya we enya issue it can easily be done or we all say coach one coach wa every coast bia ye be where they say enya dey we akire it is here ko hwem see a hwem na say no kra dia no kra da na ye dia to kem say what ase again Andy Confederations Cup Champions League in Africa, this is what we should know. Second ko Jitan Confederations ya ye kan Africa titles or maje ho ye separate no cup no e bi e tournament na e bi e kese sin bi accepted ba wo je cup na ye kasa waje 3 waje 4 ye separate say wo je Champions League wa we 2 no it's na oba cup je a half e wo 3 wa Africa kotoko wo 2 kim sa oti America and is a who can
success ka ye separate le say o ka Champions League Confederations
ni na European trophy
oh daddy
and the ending arbitrary.
David, how when the Confederation Cup and Champions League became the same?
And nontina me pachotie. Ye to me bo Champions League ni abo Europa. Ye ko share Super Cup Europa Nation Champions League Super or be European Super Champion. Manchester omoje treble on the Lazio show. Barcelona Ronaldinho omoje and Sevilla show me boa. Real Madrid Atletico so show.
Barca ni. But I know the day.
Barca Ronaldinho omo time Sevilla.
I know the day.
Yeah.
The Champions League on the European Champions.
Yes, but ye cut trophy for a club. I say,
but a man cut trophy.
They are making say. Let me. They are making say. Ning in Africa,
but the first still remain champions.
Of course, which I understand.
And one of
Ning me to was say. Akwalani penny obi aye nipa. King, I hope you understand. Ning in Africa. It is a kokoji we are. Ebeka on Africa trophies on. King meaning so what say. But emom, I don't agree. Second level near Champions League no. Because at 12 now, yes, on level also. Yes, almost say what. 2-0. It is a protocol standard na confederation there. Yes, you to make Champions League team. Meaning what my argument na say. Dia ben nyina na ndi enye protocol level o. Coach na manage game ni ye no ani issue we. Kim clearly say Kim who team. And a coach why we about Kim team can take action. Share one $400,000 gone. Sika buy the Bama team no $250,000 gone. Yakabo amazing. Close to $800,000 gone. It's a job business. Na coach who we are catch you say. Oh yeah, baby, when any team need a confederation they deserve who bond up. Meanwhile, we contract no. You see, co Champions League group stage. What do you want sika? Kin muntie yo. Co Champions League group stage. O si yo meko. What do you want sika? I promise you ko qualify. O kwa no mu year free ma be accept responsibility no. We see your team no air confederation. Nti e dey dey say Champions League team again. Diama Sribo me ne ya adwen say management members ni bi Nana Kwame Dankwa ha adwen. He's one of the guys na me adore the power money because we all get no ho ye adwuma ba me trust adwen. Se nipa bufu a ye kasa dwedwo makoma. obi abu afu coach no won so obi abo doctor din obi abo na kwa obi ambo obi adin obi abo even the players are fighting the coach tie dia make no supporters are also fighting the coach. It is all bit different the coach and that's on the chedi.
Oh no, because
no kid I mean
it's so different.
Debbie
Debbie say Kalaba negative a lot of negative stories.
Yeah.
Because go lose game and stories no negative.
Yeah.
Inti onti me support to be.
King.
And so I said the image of the club.
Yeah. So on defend there is a way to defend. Besi ne. Kono ko atumi actual statement about say oh supporters munya abotre. Na de aba na ye ntumi nya wo hwe. Name confederation ye ko ye patoma asama coach na come no see coach nka me wa can't what are you talking can then or about that's why my for we 30 seconds me dey yakpo so yes Mr. Pa king Mr. me can asem we me start wa kotoko jesi ni me pacho me nya surprise ada me ka asem wa ha say Conte Brandy jesi command Godfather Esperance there maso ba ko to bi ko de on de mo manje almost quality no form addiction me say asem we make me can't for nothing obi free France ko hoso ko to jesi ni also test and one ton ko it is omo ko he no na say my commissioner and casa back in the issue is that yenka enya he ko jesi omo show kin me to what asia kotoko time 10 years ago no mo say Jaco made in where Germany on bibia ka ho it can kotoko go out and also wear umbro ayana wo 3 house of for say omo bo cap omo walk up omo bo mobile phone people omo kra the umbro na ebo and then the team mo bo Champions League king jesi ne de e wo say omo hwe no mo ye hu bibi eni die ba ko e bo no kra mo ton na quality na mfa
As so free South Sudan.
Obi no mo shata de papa na South Sudan ni kwa so jesi nya
Patron, quick one, Mahun Kotoko Express. Zachariasen got it wrong out. I don't understand.
I'm not saying.
Kotoko Express.
I'm sure.
Zachariasen got it wrong out. I mean, I don't understand.
I better express it, macho.
Out. Is it so? That is it.
Almost all three clubs, man.
Yes, I don't understand.
No, express is it different from the campaign for?
No, this is official mouthpiece of protocol.
No, express day. They say me mention to say.
No, it's not a
political.
It's just that they are not managing it well, but it's so they are.
They're trying to say, "Kotoko dia patron."
I know making. You do not be political people.
Political like how?
I will say do baby na obi wona say omo motro no pay we are no that can be the actual we are because say kotoko official paper won't me metro Zacharias when
but this is not
but one how pam na so
but this is not surprising
out I just a team na pam
so when nya won
won't me the propaganda
and I say patron dey won we and this say won when it is Kotoko Express because they are precedent okay must we did Dramani abra no work Kotoko no tears for Didi Dramani. Kotoko Express net dress out in the buy. What the hell for we don't change? The issue about the JC, I have my own reservation. But I think this is not the time to look at the JC. It's a game no one casa Kotoko JC in the minute credit when you boss it's not appealing. It's not appealing. That but here fan to a more important issue. Number one, Mr. Srib was now about details the careers and Didi say this allegation. So why should no one I believe that it doesn't mean it is not there.
Yeah, sure.
So if you mention issue about websites, so Kotoko website Kotoko coach be our history or you will not see it. I be say Golden Boy Razak me na be coach Kotoko. Pakwesi Febe me na to be our team ya upon Kotoko website. No question be history of Kotoko coaches. You will not get it. It is not there. But it doesn't mean that Zumdik and coach Kotoko. Diata Smith and coach Kotoko. They coach Kotoko. But Kotoko website those information they are not there anymore. They choose a career and they tell us what coach you Ivory Coast Spain. That's a fact. He coached Williamsville Athletic Club. Omutano to if you no work. Ivory Coast. A club at Didier Drogba was says he competed there. What coach you omope? Edo Marco Africa Confederation Cup no, and that is a fact.
This coach you can say is a division of Ghana.
So and one of the essay we did to about the CV say on coach Ivory Coast is not true.
It's not.
He has coached in Ivory Coast.
Ken over kai last and go for any omo year interview omo Ivory Coast Kotoko be friendly match once.
Yeah,
back confirm coach ne ka say omo na adwuma wada. Baby I weak capacity ni any adwuma dia why.
So what I say. So that is it. Your friend no entry. You can criticize his play and all that, but I think Sai Holidays is unfortunate. So we shall know when and then just say in New Wakochi or Ivory Coast pen. You see, if you say about Kotokwe, Obibeka say I'm least surprised. Me surprised. Kotoko the issues would come. The two the careers in Eba we raise this issue. Then na why? Then pa na coach pa why? What is pedigree? As a open Sika Akono. Now Kofa coach or no any upgrade on Sika Akona na the two the careers in. But at the end of the day, team na pa no. The supporters needed to support the team. Regardless, no more support to coaching and all that, no. So my fan, we are down, no more did you make no. Engineer so be I support no. But the fact of the matter remains that the two the career say no on your coach Pabene and no be our kukudan or coach Jumani. The record she him.
I know I said Benzati, Mama Benzati.
Two no.
Benzati is in Africa, you know, you find us the best coach. Now you're club football. One GBB. And so the career has been wrong. 2 I don't know Pam.
I try and see.
I know one sana mama Pam. Maybe one sana mama.
At the end of the day, or qualified.
On it, now we'll come about coaches of quality. Standard. And I'm going to Benzati. Oh, yeah, dear Jubia. Anna. But where say Benzati? Benzati.
No, we are seeing a Champions League team.
Benzati said Jose Mourinho. What you say? Benzati no oye one. He's about 17-year-old coach. One who are coach the best days over. And to do the career, so I said Benzati no. Nenya na Kotoko Fope. In his contract, he stated that Alpha Kotoko drew the good stages. Otimi Derby. Wafeli and yes. It is a failure. What failure? We a Champions League. Sika Ball Confederation Cup. That is it. It remains there. Now we are analyzing and assessing Zakaria Sen based on Africa now. The Kotoko, you know, what failure.
Inti dia na Alabama Kotoko say on the coach because nipa be brain na coach na say. One kasa dia na obeka about dia na Kotoko nye coach.
This is no. I will not call for a sack. I didn't call for a sack for Sika Akono.
Too bad.
Consistency. Se Kotoko pam coach we ya, je fofo no beba no, say ya na besi. Obepa excuse. Omonto omobo asema no. Coach no, masha coach na system, masha the training. Onye obi an nim de no wasro pi, but onye that bad so. He is okay. Kotoko any sika obekwa akofa coach Pabini. And I say no, I didn't say a project. 1-2 years I Kotoko person 10 times so I didn't ejuma no. Entimi nye ejuma sa. Enti ade ese team ni ehia say, omonto omobo ase. Omon build project no.
Under Zacharias.
Consistency say.
I'm about coach no. So obesa when the France no. He said one. On the fourth and assist now.
On the sixth na draw near.
6. No I qualify for.
Not draw number, no, I heard.
Draw number here,
draw on the bar. Not at least within the club on the
That is it. Yes,
what will you just like?
Ken, 7 hours in an year. On the same say bar now. Memetra, I question the sacking of Siki. I question the sacking of Siki. And many residents are me bent penning from the man. Say how they won the NC competition. A Juma penning, and a moon is not fit for the Champions League. Some of one, some will win, you know, ultimate bomb more than. So I remember, say personally, we say, you see a penny, I've got the coach now, also on Monty, you know, there is operations everywhere. We are sure so when operations now was me, you know, but the more we ever bought. And there were people or much more concerned, this coach will help. You know, obviously, a bomb go for no. It will be a free back. People felt there was a great loot and share on the session. And now I'm saying, I'm not going to and no more common. There was a great loot and share. I of course. Yes. I want to see where they say on TV. They have much and twice. You had the coming days. That can Mr. They are the coming days. Bishop, why is it that I'm connection? Sorry. Because they felt that no one you be free. I want to be for being bam. And I said, he said, we wait. Now we are. So look at the attack. She may be all of a sudden attack because sudden, you say CK do Okroma. We question the tactics of CK, but we found out, look, who said, and no other why you are CK in Mama. More point is on your 3 years ago. And the target almost certain was CK do it. Just that people felt Kotoko was Zesko, not Zesko needs so much energy, say, as almost a Kotoko. But you move it like I said, for the start is okay. It's in from swear by and more opinion, young Wajma. Monya a bit solid on him, Monya rigid on him. And it's on the 14 players, but one question the entire 14 players, so they're basically and Pamon. You can't know. We talked about it. Me try calculate time and put that coach way back. So the battle of failure, because only time and you know what so only time. Now time more they prepare this a team and fit for contribution. And then all of a sudden, you sign the players here. Man members we were not even aware.
I think so.
And then I got all of a sudden got Coca to be keep a Kwame. It's starting forever. All of a sudden it's got Coca Kwame. Muntari Tego. Got compound Muntari Tego. And that's what you want
so much. And I put a connection and self very much on myself. The main reason why I do began because once Omuniku Omua, no Masadi and I say. So what I say. And when you are not a name of Kosovo. And you do baby not Papa Pepper, once one rebel on. But on the Tiobeca.
Ken, I made
young family image.
Ken, transfer, time I didn't start here.
Transfer.
Start from the transfers. Because CK had this list. And some of the players almost started almost second. And because near CK in China started say also. But me I said, we won't CK list. They are not me expecting. Ken Mama come I say. Any chance of my coach in the players never to work. He must justify. The if it's an issue of personal relationship, and someone will say, yeah, man, for personal relationship, on play here. Yan can you know I can. But all of a sudden, you PSC can see no players not started. Bebreba. Not got Pamu 5 midfielders. Near Tom Kwame Conte sin and Webra. Not got Kwame replacement or Mobia. All of a sudden, you say, I'm not Didiaba. Not champion or Tom Boss as a master. Players or Mobo Boss and make us in Pelmo. And the American. And at that time, they needed to end in Semisio Stadium. And I can refer. Time as transfer, coach Iba CK Ko, Yetowe, and that led to end this trouble at the Barbara Sports Stadium. And someone near Gina Heka. Can some yes, sir? A CIO. We did inside no more from that you get the news.
No crane.
So Ken, no crane down. Ken, no crane down. And some now on the doors. Then a man doctor Kwame Chenram can say, or decide they say, ticket a print to a buyer. I'm young print to a clock or print to a bridge. Then I buy. I will POBS in Chalk. Then I buy or printed about 230 million. That was the money spent. But he felt on your sofa.
No information about a year. CCTV cameras. You pay picket and you put on much. You do boy in any. You do boy, no. Say Babontia. Never hugging. He didn't say, Opinion said, and the sanity and everything.
And you cannot
print.
Can and some now. Can and some now. A dozen. Just that, me Macau happens, we a PR man of Kotoka. Or down one that Kotokosha. As some body said, be a Timinka, you will not have the courage to say it. But the moment I got covered to our family, and yes, a sense when you, and then yes, will be the more. There are individual supporters who are aware of all these issues. Every Michigan member because you many. But that's what Kotoko said. And Kotoko said, Nigeria Bani Paku, so be prayer, be a free agent. Now we are confident about discussion and phobia. But the moment Kotoko start losing, then people question some of the decisions. Take care 20 like sometimes we have a try. Near the boss of the cost of 2 years. Face them quiet. And I'm a kind
sir, or better champion with us, sir. Na Yasui,
boss.
As of course, of course, I'm a country. There's a much to say. What seems to be on my show? And so you're an media.
Sunday, copy and copy.
Mushas.
You look always 2
This is a Mushas.
I just I'm not proud to look up like us.
As is a most who has Libya. Mobile match.
Who says, say, we do mamma now do tea now. I guess I have drop and what could it piece and know your motto. Do mamma yet if you.
One idea, 100
Yeah, dear mamma yet if you. I may a young tree. My food will seek and mamma will see add more than I see this. I would my father up in 30 cities, no, I could piece of 40 and 50 cities. No, I didn't know you must have to.
say we dey won watch so nti no house of folk Sunday nyamba ye ne ye bo homo cup eni oli dade oli peto oli kalipo oli etwa oli trainer
What can we be like for sure?
oli trainer homo cup e bo na class coach do enya match keto we say oli no me traditional club and house one of the greatest and the oldest team in Ghana eni oli dade oli peto oli etwa oli trainer
Olympics the din here but na say they na mo di
say ko da na ko no nyenzo nipa pa be tu be hwa house of folk no ahemfo nyina akro mo hini nyina ba park so na we say the boys no bobo pa na trigos apiem mo na eni egia ye tebas nyina ni age gos trigos apiem na eni age pa nya match keto da no ko fo no so no e bodu krom ha ye hwe ko fo no sa ana ko fo no mo se omada krom ha ye ti because akose ko nse ase ko fo ndo so ha pa
so as Asante ko to bane Asante ko Asa has fortress no mo plan no mo we kwan on be fa so ase ye bo liga omo no betimi qualify either so be the second or be the first no mo Africa ni na mo njai so omo ada because there be omo be ko e bi omo qualify omo be ba omo be se abefa ko omo qualify no mo ase aba what wa we say ha say ye de but what time wa adwen be ba ho so no nya be if you do unko because ono wa na adwen say okona nye ye kura kuro we mu de obese abefa ko
me kai Rollins assembly o Kanos na no mo ye by
no Rollins
I say you win the Congress but you lose the national election ntu be ji wa ha ko Africa you lose
into the belt me see protocol for Africa and find say omo we Congress omo ko national elections Africa mo lose no mo we Congress in say 20 years now Congress o mini bi da bia so okwa we fi ma ono ho na e wiki
only week so oboka me go e na me no
uche ni begu
da bi engu
meba uche ni begu
engu tie
meba opa makoto ko ne algold nkosa for 10 years na ha se kwa uche ni begu
sisi ya nkoto ko na ni aje pa enye ya
ani de
me ka dey ya mo project
me macho se ha supporters ani aje se ko afi omo baba to confederation oni afa se confederation ko mafi ombe se betra kuruma de mo ne omo ba pra ko no mo se abeji no mo san ko no mo fi no masiaba no mo beje no moko obi nso omo ko omo film no omo mo na nyaade omo wiki na so focus for
omo se me na ka se ya no e project
because who na bedu ba na bo matches bia o mo
ko no Olympics
ana me se ya project so omo no omo fa se
mo project ni be di say
e po se ya makuru na ba me ka ti so ya 5 years
ba 10 years the league ni be mai
ana me se
nti say project mo se abeshi project for
there be ya tena se 10 years no ana access there be a project first year they prepare last year tia our one na kayiro one with party but coach no make sure say we build it second year evangelic
this year evangelic
oh me see project no
nti first year no na mo de hwe nema second year ni we nti league we mbeje
yes I say ya just so project say 5 years but just so na say wa fail
nti ha se me tell you
fienu no ya wo di Africa wo if you can makuru na draw you fienu wo di Africa and wo chance fa ya no yetumi ni 1 quite to qualify ye the 9 against 11 boys for us anya imura ya ka mo se fitinsa no wuto ya so coach ya so tu wa so bi tu na ya pam na wo so ya so tra ya se pam na sa fa no because wa so bi tu na ya pam na wo ya so tra
wo so coach no
so wa so bi tu ana ya pam ni pa cross wa nya de ya se no tu no akwa je tre ya se no ya pam no ya sa fa no so intini ya yi Fred Moss who so wa esco intini yembo mba na house support so show no business man intini amu ta ba na wontini anya ye kama na onko company
yes also ko coach no o se to coach e Benzati ene to for pam coach o se Tunia ene to for se coach na nya de pam ti so no so akwa je tre but to pam no mo san fine no
ken coach no pam na be boy
o pam coach as ya fine
o de em fine no ba coach no munya so say o pam ticket e ko fa we bad dia na say de wo kuma brewa na de akokra sa ko dia dia
anya chama chembra fa so
ken da so pa has for mo tie bo ko
and then radio na o
ken de o wan say se nyame admo chena ana ba to ko me say bi nomination mo dia
ba o dia no crowd me ba enema ya tutu no ma de omo de atoto so because omo ya to ade ma ebi say for there no MTN for them say so to 10 cities aye 9 cities saying
30 pesos
nti say sa na eba
na me to ami nti ase
say petrol ni sensem no When they say the all quiet, the other bit will be able. So, I found like a famous society.
Famous was almost called 20 pesos.
Into the Omagan and EBA who said, "Yeah, no, won't tell him say because especially the patron, the OD. Who said one year, but what quiet and check. Umufuka and check. Overcome to engine.
You never be out of us already. I was just saying, I'm watching any be nomination many form pass on the member. Said Dominic Never come.
Dominic, I'm pick up forms.
Electoral Commission Office. This is our district open woman. This is Capitano, Electoral Commission Office, or one also Cofano.
Fear you only pay
you only pay Dominic, and I reckon. To your Kosovo carry,
pictures. Saying, I mean, pictures at the time. And I miss them, Dino, and
I know you must
assembly, you know, say the Munya Postani. Good. Because it's a posters and I tie down one a day. So be one I can come out. Why I was suspecting?
I know, doubt.
Into moment vote, there was a vote, and you can see it. Maybe your picture is so I guess I depend on Tremor, one away.
I guess I'm here. Some of you could be in the neighborhood for Fumuba. No, who said a bad out for the entire down. We'll do one more. Can you say, none that would have been one more to my book person be man. And maybe we can't tell me agree. If you don't know, oh, some of us
Dominic, Fusu Dominic,
Jeffersuba.
I have promised you all.
I
say,
just
so. Oh, great. We said, we're seeing the dinner. Great. And I almost you to know what I don't know. Say, won't come.
Which are the Indian African where it also.
Oh, great. Oh, great. You're in you know.
Can I forms they free?
Lawyer. Forms they free. And I'm saying, I'm going to
in this. Oko
presidential school.
Presidential, if you be on a day.
Presidential,
I know.
You better 500,000.
I know we do so as I also call a friend Lakeside. I want him. I want him. No one to do that. So, my baby. Kenana, Yana, Amsterdam. Also, Penox in Treso.
Assembly, my door.
Can you bet it? And one has said,
Let's brush every woman.
I can't grab it.
Mutu.
Hey, we are sending my motor. What are they in there?
Can that the lady
2 times.